Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Diva Styles. This video is for the bubblegum wrapper template. It is not designed. This is just a video just to give you the measurements so you can go ahead and get started. The actual rectangle that you are going to need is let me ungroup everything so I can just get the shape of the 2.6 in height, and the width is 3.5. And for the side spacing over here, I have the width. Let me see. I have this. It looks like at what? Let me change that back. I don't know exactly what I got these spaces at. I think I just made them up. 0.87 is what I have them set at. Just to be correct, let me make sure. Insert shapes. The width will be 0.87. Let me take the outline off. Yep, that matches that up. Perfect, the side. Okay, so the side, on both sides, for the wrapper that you twist is 0.87 in width. And then the rest of this in the middle is your design space. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. And as always, I will see you guys soon. Bye.